Welcome to Google Scholar. In this quick video, I want to show you how you can follow scholars so that you can be notified of their new papers, new citations of their work, or work that's related to the work that they do. So start by just doing a Google search for some scholar that you're interested in. You'll notice if you type in a name, it'll often show you profiles related to that person's name, as well as publications that might be from that person. I'm going to click on the profile. Now, if you wanted to follow this person, you would click on the blue follow button here, and you'll be given three options. You can follow the new articles by this author, you can follow new citations to this author, and you can follow new articles related to this author's research. So I'm going to follow new citations of this author and then type in an email address. So now, whenever this person is cited, I will receive an email notification letting me know about it. Following people on Google Scholar also allows you to follow your own citations or research that's related to your own research. So to do that, first you'll have to create a Google Scholar profile. I have a separate video on that. It takes less than 3 minutes. So I'm going to sign in here, choose my account. Once you're logged in, which you'll know when you see your profile picture in the top right, you can go to My Profile. From My Profile, you'll click the Following button, which will be blue if you haven't already followed yourself, and you can follow new articles, new citations, or recommended articles related to your research. And then click Done. So that's how you follow people on Google Scholar. If you're interested in more videos about how to do basic research, follow along.